You lock your doors at night, but what about your digital life? Every click, every login, every photo, all vulnerable even if you're not techie. Let's face it, we live online. From the moment you wake up and check your phone to the time you scroll through social media before bed, you're connected. But here's what nobody tells you. If you're online, you're a target, whether you're tech savvy or not. That's why cybersecurity isn't just for hackers, coders, or IT people anymore. It's for everyone. Think you're not a target because you're not famous, rich, or in government? Wrong. Hackers don't care who you are, they care what you have. Your passwords, your banking info, your photos, your digital identity, your device as a tool to attack others. 80% of attacks today are automated. That means scripts and bots that scan the internet 24/7 for vulnerable devices and accounts, not specific people. You're not being hunted manually, but your exposed data is. Think of cybersecurity like digital hygiene. Just like washing your hands protects you from germs, cybersecurity protects you from hackers, viruses, scams, identity theft, surveillance, financial loss. It's about building habits that protect you and others. Still think cybersecurity is optional? Let's look at a few real stories. A woman lost her entire life savings because she clicked a fake banking email. A student got locked out of all his accounts after using the same weak password. A small business owner had her website hijacked and used to spread malware. Even hospitals have been forced to shut down due to ransomware attacks. These aren't cyberpunk fiction. These are daily headlines. I don't click on suspicious links. I don't visit sketchy websites. I use antivirus. Cool. But guess what? Phishing links now look exactly like legit ones. Some hacks come through ads on trusted websites. Many modern threats bypass antivirus completely. Social engineering, tricking you, is often more effective than any virus. If you've ever created a social media account, used online banking, signed up for any service, saved passwords in your browser, connected to public Wi-Fi, then your data is online and someone can misuse it. It's not about paranoia. It's about being aware and prepared. You don't need to become a hacker to stay safe. Start with basic digital hygiene. 1. Use strong, unique passwords. Don't reuse passwords. Use a password manager to generate and store them. 2. Enable 2FA, two-factor authentication. It's a second lock on your account. Simple but effective. 3. Think before you click. Don't just click any link. Verify emails and messages. If in doubt, don't. 4. Update everything. Those annoying updates, they patch security holes. Don't ignore them. 5. Use secure Wi-Fi. Avoid using public Wi-Fi for banking or personal info. Use a VPN if you must. 6. Back up your data. If ransomware hits, you'll thank yourself later. 7. Learn to recognize scams. Even a little knowledge can stop a disaster. We're in a digital world, and just like you teach your child not to talk to strangers, you should teach yourself and others how to protect their digital life. Cybersecurity is about empowerment, not fear. It gives you control over your digital presence and keeps your family, finances, and future safe. And here's the thing: you're never too old or too young to learn. By learning cybersecurity basics, you can help your parents avoid scams, your siblings stay secure online, your friends back up their data, your workplace avoid data breaches. You become part of the solution. You become a digital guardian, even without coding. Let's say you choose to ignore all this. You use the same weak password everywhere. You click every link, you don't turn on 2FA. Eventually, it catches up to you. Maybe your Facebook gets hacked. Maybe your bank account gets drained. Maybe your private photos leak. Maybe someone impersonates you. And by then, it's too late. Why wait for disaster? The digital world is evolving fast. AI, deepfakes, scams, smart homes. Without basic cyber awareness, you're like a driver who doesn't know what a red light means. You don't need to build the car, but you must know how to drive it safely. Cybersecurity is no longer a techie thing. It's a life skill, like swimming, like first aid. You may never become a hacker, but you need to protect yourself from them. So start now. Learn the basics. Stay curious. Ask questions. Help others. If this video opened your eyes, subscribe to Hack Only Evil, where tech and cybersecurity meet simple, real-world explanations. Stay sharp, stay safe.